name is Jim Osgar. I'm the lighting project manager for the Retrofit companies.
Hello, Paul Hartman, Activities Director, Red Wing High School. We're here on the campus of Red Wing High School at Prairie Island Arena in Red Wing, Minnesota, taking a look at the outstanding new additions of lighting here at the arena. This building was donated by the Prairie Island Indian community to Red Wing Public Schools in the early 2000s. We have a long history of high school hockey here, both on the boys and girls side. Number of state tournament appearances for both the boys and the girls. The boys won the state championship back in 1997. So we have a rich tradition of not only high school boys, but high school girls hockey as well. This arena needs to serve a variety of different people. We have a number of youth teams that come in here on the weekends. We serve our high school teams, both boys and girls teams. In the winter season, we have figure skating club. We have old men that come in here on the weekends and play. So it serves a variety of different people in our community, not only on the ice, but in the stands as well. We have big crowds that come in and watch our games, and this has really upgraded this facility. In the off season, when we're not skating, our softball teams and baseball teams use this facility as well, and we can already see the improvement in the lighting.
So from the start, one of the major objectives was for some energy savings to occur. Over the rink, they had 10 lamp, 54 watt lamp fixtures with a high powered ballast, pushing north of 600 watts per fixture. Utilizing our photometrics, we were able to design a solution, finding that 284 watt high bays with a dimming package was suitable. The dimming is critical because you don't always want your lights at 100%. So for skating, open skate practice, first varsity games, we offer different light levels. One of the neat things about this project is that we were able to utilize a wireless dimming package, which saved the upfront costs on the installation for eliminating the additional wiring that you typically need. And we went with a wireless dimming process that offered 4 preset scenes for simple button savings.
Well, I used to have to come in here and we have to flip about 8 different switches, depending on which lights you want. Well, now we're down to just about 2 or 3 switches based on if it's a varsity game, varsity practice, free skate, so much more easier now. You can already tell, we've had comments from our community members, some that didn't know that this lighting project was going on, some that did, that they already can tell the difference not only in the stands, but on the concessions area and on the ice as well. So we're grateful that this project was able to come through to fruition for all of our community.